After canonizing 7 new saints, the Pope led Sunday's Angelus. With thousands of people in St. Peter's Square, he prayed for those affected by the heavy floods that have swept through the Lourdes grotto, where the Virgin Mary appeared.
Prima di concludere questa celebrazione, rivolgiamoci a colei che è la regina di tutti i santi, la Vergine Maria, con un pensiero a Lourdes, colpita da una grave esondazione del Gave che ha allagato anche la grotta delle apparizioni della Madonna.
The Pope made it a point to greet all those attending the ceremony in different languages that correspond to each new saint.
May the holiness and witness of the saints inspire us to draw closer to the Son of God, who for such great love came to serve and offer his life for our salvation. God bless you all.
Before closing, the Pope also called on Christians to pray for the Synod on the new evangelization, which will run until October 28th at the Vatican.